Hey there, coffee lovers. Welcome back to the channel. If you're craving something smooth, creamy, and just a little indulgent to start your day, or give it a sweet boost, this Spanish latte recipe is exactly what you need. It's incredibly easy, made with just a few simple ingredients, and tastes just like the ones you get at your favorite cafe. Maybe even better. What makes the Spanish latte so special? It's the perfect balance of strong coffee flavor with a sweet, milky twist, served hot or iced. Whether you're a busy student, a work-from-home pro, or just someone who loves experimenting with new drinks, you're going to fall in love with this. So let's get into it. I'll walk you through every step of this simple and delicious Spanish latte recipe. And by the end, you'll be making this like a total pro. Ingredients. Here's what you'll need to make 1 glass of Spanish latte, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, a 1/4 cup of hot water, cold or warm milk, depending on how you like it, ice cubes if you're going for the iced version. That's it. No espresso machine needed, no complicated tools, just basic pantry staples. Method, step-by-step walkthrough. Let's break this down step by step. Step 1, make your coffee base. Grab a small bowl or jar. Add in 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, and a 1/4 cup of hot water. Here's a quick tip. The sweetened condensed milk not only gives your Spanish latte that iconic flavor, but also acts as a sweetener and creamer in one. It's thick, rich, and absolutely delicious. Now take an electric whisk or hand mixer and give it a good mix for 30 to 60 seconds. You're not trying to whip it like Dalgona coffee, just enough to blend everything smoothly. It should become silky and uniform with a light froth on top. Step 2, assemble the Spanish latte. Take your serving glass. If you're making an iced Spanish latte, fill the glass with a few ice cubes first. Next, pour in your milk. You can use full cream milk for a richer texture, or any plant-based milk like oat or almond if you prefer dairy-free. Now comes the magic moment. Pour your coffee mixture over the milk. And just like that, you've got a beautifully layered Spanish latte. Stir it gently before sipping, and wow, so good. Now, let me tell you why this Spanish latte recipe is a total game changer. No fancy equipment needed. Seriously, all you need is a jar, some instant coffee, and a whisk. It's budget-friendly. Skip the $5 cafe drinks and make it at home anytime you want. Customizable. You can adjust the sweetness, try different types of milk, or even make it hot on a chilly morning. Perfect for beginners. If you're just getting into making your own drinks, this is the ideal place to start. Plus, making your own coffee at home improves your overall cooking skills. You'll become more confident in the kitchen and more aware of flavor balance. Sweetness, bitterness, and creaminess all come into play with this one. Here are a few ideas to personalize your Spanish latte even more. Add a pinch of cinnamon or nutmeg for a warm, spiced version. Use flavored condensed milk, like caramel or chocolate, for a fun twist. Turn it into a frappe by blending everything with ice for a frozen treat. Swap in espresso or strong brewed coffee if you want to level it up a bit more. If you loved this Spanish latte recipe, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. It really helps the channel grow and lets us know you want more easy, delicious recipes like this. Subscribe if you haven't already and hit the notification bell so you never miss a new recipe. I'd also love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and tell me, how did your Spanish latte turn out? Did you make any tweaks? What drink should we make next? Thanks for hanging out with me today and making something delicious. Until next time, stay cozy, stay creative, and keep brewing magic in your kitchen. Cheers! See you in the next one. Like, comment, and subscribe for more sips and bites.